This is the new Beneteau Oceanis 37.1. It's the first of its kind into Australia. So yes, it's the show premiere and it's the Australian premiere. I guess the replacement of the Oceanis 38.1, which was a huge success for Beneteau. About 800 sold of that boat, and the 37.1 is the replacement, and it's everything we'd hoped for to basically supersede that phenomenal model. It's a Mark Lombard hull. He's done a couple of boats for us, but he definitely does some really fantastic performance boats. So it's a cruiser for sure, but take this on a racetrack in its performance version and it's going to give you a lot of enjoyment and probably win a few trophies too. So this is the 3-cabin version. You can choose a number of different layouts. You've got 2 or 3 or sort of different 3-cabin layouts. Light oak or darker walnut. It's huge. It's got the volume of most 40-footers before it, which is really amazing. This would start at about 500,000, and depending on what you want, you could go up to sort of 600 to 650, depending on if you went really extreme. But this boat, as we see it, is about 550,000.